Hi everyone, today we're going to study square roots of decimals. Let's have some examples. Example 1, find the square root of 17.64. Step 1, we put bars on the integral part. In this case, we have 17 of the number in the usual manner, and place bars on the decimal part. We have here 64 on every pair of digits beginning with the first decimal place. The first decimal place is 6 and the second is 4. That means there is one bar for the number 64, another bar for the number 17. Then we put the division symbol. Step 2, we now proceed in a similar manner. The leftmost bar is on the number 17. Then we take the square root of 17. Notice that the number 17 is between 4 square and 5 square. So we will use the smaller value. This number 4, we will take this as the divisor and the number under the leftmost bar as the dividend. So we write number 4 here and also here on top of 17. We multiply 4 by 4, we will get 16. When we subtract, the difference is 1. Step 3, we write down the numbers from the next bar to the remainder. The new dividend becomes 164. Then step 4, we vertically copy the decimal point to the quotient. The decimal point is here, so we copy this point on top. Step 5, we double the divisor and enter it with a blank on its right. The divisor is 4. When we double, it becomes 8. Then there is a blank after 8. Step 6, we guess the digit A for the blank, such that 8A times the A should be less than or equal to the new dividend. So, by trial and error, we can say 2. We multiply 82 by 2, and the product is 164, which is equal to the new dividend. Therefore, the new digit is 2. So we write the digit 2 here, also the number 2 on top of 64. So the new quotient will be 4.2. Then we divide and get the remainder. That means this 164 minus this value here, that is 164 also. And the difference is 0. Step 7. Since the remainder is 0 and no bar left, then we conclude the square root of this 17.64 equals 4.2. Example 2. Find the square root of 12.25. We write the bars. So one bar for the number 12, another bar for 25. Then we show the division symbol. Let us take the square root of 12. We know that 12 is between 3 square and 4 square. So we consider the smaller value. So we write number 3 here and also here. 3 times 3 is 9. Then we take the difference and the answer is 3. Then we copy the decimal point on top. Then we bring down 25. So the new dividend is 325. Next step, we double this number 3. It becomes 6. Then there is a blank after number 6 that represents a digit. By trial and error, we can show that 6, we can write 5, so 65. Then we multiply 65 by the number 5. And the answer is 325, which is equal to the new dividend. In that case, we write now the digit 5 here and also 5 on top of this number 25. Then we subtract 325 by this value here, 325. And the answer is 0. Since the answer is 0 and no more bar left on the number, we stopped. Then we conclude that the square root of 12.25 equals 3.5. Example 3. For the square root of 176.341, how do we put the bars in the step 1? This is how we're going to put the bars. For the integers, there is one bar for the number 76, another bar for the number 1. On the decimal part, we put one bar to the first two decimal places, 3, 4. Another bar for the number 1. In this case, we can add 1, 0. So we put one bar to the number 10. So this is the answer.